Okay, so far it has, like I said, just the logo right here as the scanned image. When you double click on it, you'll see that the layer I already have dimmed down for you, so it's locked as well, so you can see it just barely beneath it. Above it just says logo in AI, Adobe Illustrator. And for this part, the guides I have under view guides, I can have them, they're locked right now, so I'm just going to leave them there so that when I'm illustrating I don't have to worry too much about it. The rulers are view under rulers, Command R again, so you can bring those up or bring them back. And the guides are hiding inside there, so I'm just going to give myself a couple of guides. You can draw it straight. You don't necessarily need all these guides to come down, but I just want to give myself a little bit of help here. So in the shape tool, I'm going to window shade this out so I have the rectangle tool to work from. And I'll zoom in, use the space bar to zoom around, and just click the guides will help me snap to it, and that gives me this initial selection. So I'm just going to keep it as an outline. Go ahead and click the letter I to get the eyedrop tool, and click on the color beneath it. Even though it's dimmed down, it will still show me that particular shade of color. These rectangles look to be identical, so I'm just going to Option and drop one down here with the Shift key held down. The Smart Guides are on, so it shows me that they're centered. So under View, when you go to Guides, right below the Smart Guides, it's checked. It's helping me line things up. And this one is red, so I can just go to this part of the logo and click on it to get the red, make it pretty simple for me. The other part is that these sections here, they're the same thickness, so rather than try to redraw it, I'm just going to Option, duplicate it, rotate it with the Shift key to keep it perpendicular, and I can swap it so that it's just a stroke, place it right on top of this one, scroll down a little bit, grab the midpoint down below, and just hold the Shift key to drag this right up there. Actually, just drag it up, don't hold the Shift key. And again, this one I can, since it's hollow, I can just eyedrop it and fill it, and it gives me the black. This one here, just Option and Shift keying, bringing this across. It's green, so I'm just going to grab the eyedrop tool, and now I have these four pieces. Now whether they're all lined up perfectly since I just traced it, I don't know, but I'm just going to select the two up at the top here. In the Align tool, I have, when there two or more items are selected, it'll have me align left, center, right, top, middle, bottom. Then it has vertical or distributing them from left to right for all the same measurements. So these are already lined up, but I'll just click on it just to show you. If they weren't, like this, I could just Shift key them and align them to that first selection. And the same with these two items. Just select them. It's already showing me that the tops are already highlighted and lined together. So then just Shift key and group these together, and that gives you the first section of that logo there.